Go on now.
Darling.
What is it? Yeah, I can feel it tickling my nose. Don't give it to the dog.
Oh God, another one.
Are they stitching you up? Alex, come on, you didn't even know.
He's lovely, isn't he? Excuse me, I just put it right.
We were working.
Oh, another one. I'm having them every Wednesday, giving garlic sausage, I mean.
Guys, it still